Hi guys, for today's video, it's all about how I keep my toddler warm when playing outside during winter season. First, a long sleeve shirt and leggings. Then, this one. I like the idea of her wearing a snow bib than her regular snow pants. If your toddler is like mine that loves to lay on the snow and make snow angel, the snow bibs is a great option to use because there won't be any snow at all that will go under her shirts or jackets. Next, the mittens. I like to put these first before the jacket because it is easier to adjust and it will not fall off easily because it will be tucked in under the sleeves of her jacket. Then, ta-da! Next is the winter jacket. I bought this set of snowsuit at Columbia last year. If you notice in the first part of the video, she's only wearing one pair of underclothes. Because having too much layer of clothes will make her feel uncomfortable, and I don't want that to happen. Instead, I invested on a nice winter suit. It has all these things inside to keep her warm. This particular snowsuit is so great because the bib and the jacket are adjustable, and she can still use this for another year or two. So perfect for Minnesota winter. This one is optional. She just wants it right now, but she will take it off later. Oh, you know, kids.
My cow. Everything I want for winter time. Like he make. I'm going to go build a snowman in the door right now.
Then this beanie. I love this one because it has the cover for the ears too. Look, so cute. And this is the last one, the snow boots. When buying a snow boots, I always make sure that it has the zipper and not the shoelaces because it's easier to put on and remove, especially if you're in a hurry. Then I always put this part over the boots properly. Some like it inside, but I prefer it covering the boots because it works well in keeping the snow away. All done!
I'm ready, guys.